Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to change size of select to speak floating shortcut button in Realme 14x phone, how to make it bigger, how to make it smaller, etc. So first we need to go to settings. Then in settings we need to go to accessibility and convenience option, next accessibility, then vision tab at the top, and here we have select to speak option. And here is the shortcut switch. We need to tap this option here, and now we need to go to the more option to enable our floating button, and now here it is. So we have a few options here. We can change the size using this size menu here. So right now it's small, we can make it bigger. Unfortunately we do not have a slider, we just have two presets, so let's leave it in the bigger one. And now our button is bigger, and that's all.